Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Barbie LeVay's Way. And we'll just keep blending in that orange. And I'll go in with a lighter color. Okay. Of course you can tell that I like it. I have this new palette, this Pro Fusion travel book, beauty book. And the first color I'm gonna go with might be purple. So we'll do this, and then we'll work along like this, like so, and just tap it along. Even though you can't see it, I don't think. Okay, and then we'll do the other side the exact same way. You don't have to always use one color on your eyes. You can use more than one. I mean, even if they look kind of close alike, I mean, trust me, the color is gonna pop. You close your eyes, you looking away, oh, somebody's gonna be looking at you, no matter what, because they can see the difference. Sometimes you can't, but other people can. As you can see the purple, I'm probably just gonna go in like with the gold on top. So instead of using this side that I use with the purple, I'm gonna use this small side, see? And I have a 9 dessert fairy, perfect colors. And we'll see how this comes out. That looks, ooh, oh, ooh, okay. I like that. So that's just what we got. And we'll do the same thing for the other eye. Nothing major. Nothing major, ladies. And this is so pigmented. It comes out like so good. It gives it like a shimmery glowy look. Like, ooh. With that said, I'm gonna go back to my palette, of course, and go over it with my blending brush. It looks like this, small little areas to it. I'm gonna blend the purple again, right there, one more time, just so it can be blended. You always want to blend your colors, always. So. This is what we got so far. Okay. After that, we are gonna go in and do the main part, basically. Yes, the main part that you've been waiting on. Okay. So we'll get to moving with that. And the way of doing this, if you're new, I would start off on the outside and then go here and probably work my way in and start the moving outward. But, you know, because that's how I started. But everybody's different. Okay, I'm going to start. You can make it as thin, as long, as wide, however you want. Just be careful. And just keep going on through. See? And you make a mistake, sometimes you can wipe it off. Sometimes you can't. And sometimes a perfect mistake, can be perfect. You know? Because that was a mistake, but... And there we go. And loosen up on the ends. Just don't do too much. Which I'm doing too much on the end, but... And it's just simple. Just... Sometimes it may get on your lashes. Just get it out of your way. And I'm just gonna go over it just so I can be precise. Okay. Neatly. Make sure you didn't make any mistakes. And I didn't, so I'll go to the next and do the same exact thing. Need to blink, just blink, take away your hand. Loosen up, because if you don't, you're gonna have a problem. You're trying to blink and put your makeup on at the same time, it's not gonna work. So we would just keep going this way, and then just feel if it's messed up, go back and fix it. It's never too late. Okay? Never too late. Okay, like I did that, I can just pinch it and makes it perfect. Okay. Now go back to the beginning of this one. No. It's just how you're supposed to do it, and just work your way right through there. Then you good after that. Like I said, do you a second coat just to be secure on everything. I hope you guys get the concept of how I did it. Once again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.